Real-time data streaming, the future of analytics. Real-time data streaming empowers organizations to gain instant insights, drive faster decision-making, and adapt to changing business needs in real time. The rise of real-time analytics. Faster insights. Real-time analytics enables immediate access to data, leading to quicker business intelligence and more agile responses. Improved efficiency. Real-time data streams reduce latency and minimize manual processes, streamlining operations and boosting productivity. Competitive edge. Organizations can quickly identify trends, spot opportunities, and adapt to market changes before the competition. Challenges and opportunities in real-time streaming. 1. Data volume and velocity. Handling the sheer scale and speed of real-time data streams requires robust infrastructure and processing capabilities. 2. Data reliability and accuracy. Ensuring data quality and integrity is crucial for making informed, trustworthy decisions in real time. 3. Regulatory compliance. Navigating data privacy and security regulations is a key consideration for real-time data initiatives. Use cases: transforming industries with real-time insights. Retail, personalized offers, inventory optimization, and enhanced customer experiences driven by real-time data. Finance fraud detection, market monitoring, and automated trading based on real-time data streams. Healthcare, immediate patient monitoring, rapid treatment decisions, and enhanced operational efficiency. Transportation, real-time route optimization, predictive maintenance, and enhanced logistics and supply chain visibility. The road ahead, innovations and trends in real-time data streaming. Edge computing, decentralized processing to enable faster insights and reduce latency. AI and machine learning, automating decision-making, empowering real-time predictive analytics. Blockchain integration, enhancing data integrity and reliability in real-time data streams. Contact us, 971-585-164-628. Visit our website, genxdmcc.com.